Hello, my dear little ones. Welcome back to our today's mathematics class.
We are continuing the 7th unit, equal shares and what is left. Today's first activity, chalk making. Children of class 4 made 484 chalks during the work experience fair. 4 packets of 100, 8 packets of 10 and 4 more. These are divided equally among 4 classes. How many chalks does each class get? Students, how can we find? First, let's divide the packets of 100. How many packets of 100 are there? 4 packets. How many classes are there? 4 classes. Therefore, number of packets each class gets equals 1. Now divide the packets of 10. How many packets of 10 are there? 8 packets. How many classes are there? 4 classes. Therefore, number of packets each class gets equals, yes, 2 packets. There are 4 more chalks. These 4 chalks are to be equally divided among 4 classes. Now, number of chalks each class gets equals 1. Next, let's find out the total number of chalks each class gets. First, 1 packet of 100 chalks. That means 1 into 100 equals 100. Next, 2 packets of 10 chalks. That means 2 into 10 equals 20. And 1 more chalk. Then add 100, 20 and 1. 100 plus 20 plus 1 equals 121. So, total number of chalks each class get equals 100 plus 20 plus 1 equals 121 chalks. Next, let's find out the answer by using division method. Divide 484 chalks equally among 4 classes. 484 divided by 4. Take the first digit in the hundreds place. 4 is in the hundreds place. Then let's find how many times 4 to get 4. How many times? 1 time. Write 1 here. 1 into 4? 4. Then subtract 4 from 4. 4 minus 4? 0. Then write down the digit in the tens place. 8 is in the tens place. Then let's find how many times 4 to get 8. How many times? 2 times. 2 into 4? 8. Then subtract 8 from 8. 8 minus 8? 0. Then write down the digit in the ones place. 4 is in the ones place. Then let's find how many times 4 to get 4. How many times? 1 time. 1 into 4? 4. Subtract 4 from 4. 4 minus 4? 0. We get the same answer. That is, how many chalks does each class get?
121 chalks.
Now, we are going to learn about some specific terms based on division. The number is to be divided is called the dividend. Here, 484 is the dividend. The dividend is to be divided by another number. That number is called the divisor. Here, 484 is divided by 4. So, 4 is the divisor. The number we get as the final answer. That number is called the quotient. Here, we get the final answer 121. So, the quotient is 121.
The number remains after division is called remainder. Here, 0 remains here. So, remainder is 0. Did you understand?
Next question. An LP school uses 6 kilograms of mung for lunch. 135 kilograms of mung were bought. For how many days will it last? How many kilograms of mung were bought? 135 kilograms. How many kilograms of mung does the school use for lunch? 6 kilograms. We have to find how many days will it last. To find out this, divide 135 by 6. Take the first digit in the hundreds place. 1 is in the hundreds place. Then can you find how many times 6 make 1? No, because 1 is less than 6. In this case, we have to take the next digit also. Take the first two digits together. 13. Then let's find how many times 6 make 13. Students, listen. There is no 12 in the multiplication table of 6. See, 1 into 6 equals 6. 2 into 6 equals 12. 3 into 6 equals 18. There is no 13. We can't take 18 because 18 is more than 13. So we can take only 12. How many times 6 makes 12? 2 times. So we have to write 2 here. 2 into 6, 12. Subtract 12 from 13. 13 minus 12, 1. Then write down the digit in the ones place. 5 is in the ones place. We get the number 15. Then let's find how many times 6 makes 15. There is not 15 in the multiplication table of 6. So here again we have to take 12. How many times 6? Yes, 2 times. So we have to write 2 here. 2 into 6, 12. 15 minus 12. 5 minus 2, 3. Students, here we get the answer 22. So, how many days will it last? 22 days. 135 kilograms of mung were enough for 22 days. Here we get the remainder 3. This 3 indicates the kilograms of mung left after the usage of 22 days. Students, you have to practice these problems very well, and there is a text activity for you. Dear students, today's class is over. Thank you.